break 23,451. This is the first box. It is for ScottyM. I'm going to do the random now to see which young gun you are hunting for. Here we go. You are hunting for Maximilian Zuber. So let's see if you got him. Here we go, sir. Again, this is ScottyM. We have got a deluxe base, number to 250 of Mackenzie Weegar, and on a heater of Malkin, and the dual young guns of Macklin Celebrini with Will Smith, and an electricity of Matthew Tkachuk. A canvas of Austin Matthews on a heater of William Nylander, and a playlist of Barkov. Yvonne Young Guns, welcome aboard of Zachary Bolduc, and a Young Guns outburst of Oscar Rack. Back, not Rack. Young Guns Retro of David Pasternak, a Bang for Your Puck of Arbor Jacki, and a Young Guns Canvas of Joel Blomqvist. We have a clear-cut bait of Casey Cizikas, an on-tour speckle of the Anaheim Ducks, and an ooh la la of Freddie Anderson. Portraits of Cale Makar, Young Guns of Declan Carlisle, and an electricity of Cole Caulfield. Canvas of Frank Vetrano, Young Guns renewed of Elias Pettersson, and a Bang for Your Puck of Tom Wilson. An on-board speckle of Matvei Mishkov for the Philadelphia Flyers, a Young Guns of Oscar Back, and a Frank Nazar, welcome aboard. Canvas of Owen Tippett, portraits of Brennan Othman, and an ooh la la of Joseph Woll. Bang for Your Puck of Elias Pettersson. We have a Young Guns of Nikita Prishapov, and an electricity of Clayton Keller. An electricity black parallel of William Nylander. A Dazzlers of Quinn Hughes, and a Young Guns renewed of Tage Thompson. A on tour of Kaprizov and Boldy, Young Guns of Isaac Poulter, and an ooh la la of John Gibson. There we go, Scotty. Unfortunately, you did not hit Zuber, but there we go.